To link Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account and creating a new tag. Choose Google Analytics as the tag type and select the track type, such as page view or event. Next, enter your Google Analytics tracking ID, which can be found in your Google Analytics account under the Admin section. After setting up the tag, create a trigger to specify when the tag should fire. This can be based on a page view, click, or other event. Configure the trigger settings according to your needs, such as specifying which pages or events should trigger the tag. Once the tag and trigger are set up, create a variable to store your Google Analytics tracking ID. This makes it easy to update the ID if needed, without having to edit each tag individually. To do this, go to the Variables section in Google Tag Manager and create a new user-defined variable. In the variable settings, enter your Google Analytics tracking ID and give the variable a name, such as Google Analytics ID. Then, go back to the tag you created earlier and update the tracking ID field to use the new variable. After setting up the tag, trigger, and variable, publish the changes to your Google Tag Manager container. This will deploy the new tag to your website and start sending data to Google Analytics. To verify that the setup is working correctly, use the Google Tag Manager preview mode to test the tag and trigger. This allows you to see the tag firing and the data being sent to Google Analytics without affecting your live website. By following these steps, you can successfully link Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager and start tracking your website data more efficiently. This integration enables you to manage your Google Analytics tags and tracking codes in one place, making it easier to track your website performance and make data-driven decisions. Best practices for linking Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager include using a consistent naming convention for your tags and variables, regularly testing and verifying your setup, and keeping your Google Tag Manager container organized and up to date. By following these best practices, you can ensure accurate and reliable data tracking and make the most of your Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager integration.